Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do the another funnel pour. I am going to paint the exact same painting today. I am going to use the same colors and the same size of the canvas. This one is a 12 by 12 inches of the canvas. So let's get started. The colors I am using today are the golden yellow. This one is a crimson red. This one is a Persian blue. This one is a deep green and this one is a golden. So I added 2 drops of silicone to each color. Now I am going to put the white color on the top of the canvas and the green color on the base of the canvas. The green color which I am putting on the base don't have any silicone in it. So today I am going to try and duplicate this painting. So here I sectioned this canvas in 2 parts. The below part is green and the above part is white. So let's get started. First I am going to put the green color. Then I am going to spread using the palette knife. Cover the sides also. Now I am going to put the white color on the top of the canvas. I am going to place the funnel over here. Then first I am going to add the golden color at the base. Then I am going to put some little bit of that Persian blue. Then I am going to put the crimson red. Then little bit of that yellow color. Again crimson red and golden color. Now here I am going to put the lot of golden color. Now just lift your funnel little bit and just go travel like this. Look, after 5 minutes the cell will get bigger. Then I am going to use the straw to blow some color at the top of the canvas. you can see here in this painting I use the same color combination, but still the golden color is so prominent here in this painting. But in this painting the red color is more prominent. It depends on how much quantity you put during each painting, so it's not possible to copy the exact copy the other painting exact. So now I just now for this effect I just use my fingers. So I just do like this, just touch the color with the finger little bit, and then go like this, or just take the ice cream stick and just go like this. It will create that effect automatically. So I am done with my painting. Here I just simply use the funnel technique for this painting, and I just give the flame effect using the straw. So here is the close-up of these two paintings. You can see I use the same colors, but still the both paintings are different. I already varnished this two painting with the gloss varnish, so because of that gloss varnish you can see painting is glossy. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like today's tutorial. I will see you in the next video. Bye.